So we're doing an unboxing today.
One that happens once a year.
So it's August and the box is square.
What could that be?
Here we go.
All right, here we go.
Yay! It's the Art of the Quilt calendar. Open it up and let's see.
Okay, let's slide this.
Let's show you what's inside.
So this is always fun for us because we've spent a lot of time getting this all together, but it's the first time we've seen it. So I actually have to slice this open.
So we prepare these calendars typically about 8 to 10 months in advance, and then we don't see them. But they have all of the, if you're new to our Art of the Quilt calendar,
I'm gonna slide the box.
they sell out very quickly and include all of the patterns for the 12 quilts that are featured in the calendar. We don't produce it. Willow Creek Press produces it.
It's produced by a fantastic publishing company in Wisconsin. So we're keeping everything here in the Midwest.
So we buy a certain number, and then after that we sell out very quickly, and then you can get it through your local quilt shop. You can get it through online sources.
And they're often, if you happen to live near a mall that has one of those seasonal calendar shops,
Like a kiosk or something.
yeah, or even they're just exclusive calendar stores, these are often in it. So it's called the Art of the Quilt.
And our cover quilt, I'm so excited about this cover because this is our Friends All Around quilt from Modern Quilts Illustrated 15.
And the way we do the calendar is that each year there are 12 patterns. At least 11 of them are from earlier publications. Sometimes they're things that we did for magazines
Or fabric company.
And then there's always at least one quilt that's unique to the calendar that we haven't published before.
Right.
So what I love about the way they do this, okay, and I'll zoom in. This is our chevron quilt from A Quilter's Guide to Solids. We actually use calendars pretty heavily, and so I love the fact that they have large writable areas because we keep our family calendar in kind of the middle of the house so everyone can see what's going on. So that's our chevron, and this is great to see because we did this so long ago.
I know.
I don't remember the order here.
Okay. Oh, nice.
All right. So this is our color guard quilt,
Right.
and
That's an older version of it.
this is the only one we did.
Oh, I thought we had another version, but okay.
This is one, and it works great when you have two colors, a couple different hues in your stash.
Oh, this is a really, really long time ago, never published pattern called Window Shopping.
Window shopping, really nice way to show off if you have large scale prints that you want to see a lot of. Oh, palms. Oh, mint julep. Mint julep.
Yeah, I love that.
Okay, mint julep.
That was from our Transparency Quilts book, right?
Yeah. Oh, this is.
Yeah.
I'm kind of doing a double take.
We haven't seen in a long time.
Oh, Village Square.
Yep, and that
Here's
was
a more
with
recent one.
Our fabric line with Better Tex.
Yeah. So we actually still have a lot of these fabrics.
Yep.
On our website
A lot
now.
of them sold out, but we got most of them. Oh, right. This was a custom commission.
This is semi-precious. And this is a great quilt for people who like the combination of improvisation and structure. So there's a structured block and then kind of guidelines for how to improvise within it.
Yep.
Oh, the Handsome Spirit quilt. Great whether you want to celebrate the Independence Day or for
Memorial Day or
Quilts of Valor.
Any kind of patriotic quilt. Oh, right.
Small World.
Yep. From Transparency Quilts.
What do we have next?
Oh, nice. I love that. That's one of my favorites.
That's the Infinity Quilt from Quilter's Guide to Solids. So it's really nice to have one of these quilts up, I hope, all month in your studio.
We love being in your sewing room.
Yeah.
Oh,
This is Zanzibar.
Yep.
And I used to live in East Africa and love the richness of spices and markets and the color and pattern that kind of inspired this.
This one was, we haven't published a pattern of this in 20 years. So this is a really old but fantastic multicolored print
Yeah.
quilt.
And then we revisited here Old School from our Rediscovering Your
Yeah.
Stash.
The last one is our Friends All Around from Modern Quilts Illustrated 15. And then you can see the pocket with all of the patterns.
There's a
in it.
pocket in the back with individual pages, which makes this such a great deal. 'Cause it's a $15.99 calendar and it has all 12 patterns in it.
Right.
Plus, it's just a beautifully produced calendar.
But please hang on to your patterns. We often get people who are missing part of their patterns in the back, or they bought it,
5 years ago.
yeah,
and have
exactly. and they've
misplaced
lost-
it.
So hold on to those patterns because we can't get them back to you after you buy it. But
So we will have this on our website, and again, we're definitely going to sell out. So if, like many people, you want to get it as a gift for others, we have people who regularly buy 5 of them, 10 of them, and give them to all their quilter friends. So if you want to do that, it's no pressure, but it's just the reality is that we do sell out. So
we sell out typically by about the beginning of September. But if you can't get it through us, look at your local quilt shop or
search
a
for the
calendar
Art of the
shop.
Quilt
Yes.
calendar.
Art of the Quilt calendar 23.
So fun unboxing and fun for us too.
Yeah,
You know,
exactly.
we get to see it for the first time.
We are excited to be in your studios and your sewing rooms for the next year and hope you enjoy
And
the calendar.
whether you're sewing the quilts or just looking at them, we hope it brings you inspiration each month. And, that's just what we try to do. We want to encourage you to make beautiful things. So take
See you
care.
next time.